Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I will show you the exhaust slider that I got for my Dominar 400. The package arrived today from Amazon. It's from the brand Roadrash, and let me show you how the product looks like. Then we will install it on the bike. So this is the packet that I have received. This is the slider itself, and along with is 1-inch screw. This is the invoice. That's it. So this is the slider. It's made of hard plastic, and it will go and attach with the exhaust pipe of my Dominar. And we have received one screw with a metal washer. This will go inside this one, inside the slider. Let me install it on the bike and show you how it looks. So this is my bike, and this is the exhaust, and here is where the exhaust the slider will go and fix. So I will have to open this nut, and in this place the slider will go. This is a Allen screw, and a number 5 Allen bit should be used. I'll use the washer, the stock washer that comes along with this screw on the bottom of this slider to fill up the gap. So this is how it looks. Any potential scratches to the exhaust will be saved now by this slider, because it is extending outside the entire frame of the bike. So this is how it finally looks.